Once you have created a model, you can find statistical indicators in the Details tab of the regression model to help you evaluate the quality of your model as a whole and of specific independent variables. Under the Details tab in Regression Results, there are a number of statistical values related to the model. The two key parameters we're going to look at are the R-squared value and the CV-RMSE. The R-squared value can be found here as well as below the equation in the window down here. This is a measure of the amount of variance that is predicted from the independent variables. It ranges from 0 to 1, with 1 meaning the prediction perfectly fits the actual data. As a general guideline, an R-squared value less than 0.75 is considered poor. Specific programs may have specific thresholds that must be met. The coefficient of variation of the root mean squared error, or CV-RMSE, shown here, is a measure of uncertainty within the model and can be a more useful measure than R-squared when determining confidence in the savings quantified using a facility baseline model. The lower the CV-RMSE, the less uncertainty there is in the predicted results. A value of 0 would indicate the predicted values are a perfect fit to the data. As a general rule, the amount of savings being quantified as a fraction of total consumption should be at least double the CV-RMSE. So in this case, we would be looking for savings of at least 16%.